Hello, I'm Peter Towers for ESS BIZTOOLS. Welcome to Accountant's Minute. Personal Property Securities Register. Are your clients protected? Risk management is an accepted subject for accountants to inquire about with your clients relative to covers, policies that have been enacted, etc. This can cover items such as insurance, business risks, looking at commercial, compliance, legal, environmental, corporate governance, and at least another half a dozen risks that affect businesses. And most accountants do make inquiries of their clients about the strategies that have been implemented to protect the business from problems from these risks. Since January 2012, another very large risk area has emerged for businesses, and it's known as the Personal Property Securities Register. And this is a significant risk to businesses both large and small, as the court cases and the out-of-court settlements since 2012 have indicated. Already at least $300 million has been lost by Australian businesses, basically through one thing. They fail to register their customers or their business transactions and agreements on a government register, and that has cost a significant number of businesses a lot of money. Personal property is all forms of property other than real estate. This is a vast range of business property. Why the government elected to call this legislation personal property, no one knows. But it definitely covers every type of business property, excluding real estate. So the key considerations for you to be thinking about include: have your clients consulted a commercial solicitor since January 2012 and had new terms of trade agreements prepared? And have they had new retention of title agreements prepared? And are they using them? Are they following up? Are they registering the transactions that could cause them financial grief? And if they're involved in leasing, do they understand the consequences of an indefinite period lease, or a lease up to 1 year that is automatically renewable, or a lease for a term in excess of 1 year? Because to protect themselves relative to the assets that are being leased, they probably should have registered those lease transactions on the Personal Property Securities Register. But there's more. The important questions that need to be answered are: where are assets located? If they're on the company's or business's own premises, there's virtually no issue. But if they're in lease premises, on someone else's property, or on consignment, then if an insolvency or bankruptcy event occurs relative to the owner of those premises or a customer, then your client can be in financial difficulties. You wouldn't want your client to be coming into your office this morning and telling you that they had $500,000 worth of stock on consignment to XYZ, and overnight XYZ had a liquidator appointed, would you? Because your client has probably lost that asset. So what's included in business property? Well, it's everything besides real estate. So that covers stock, livestock and crops, goods, things like attachments to goods, mixed goods, goods for growing crops can be protected, artist works, plant equipment, construction equipment, motor vehicles, boats, aircraft, anything with a serial number on it. Debtors. And one of the big issues relative to debtors is unfair preference claims being issued by liquidators. Yes, your clients can basically be protected from those claims if they have registered that customer on the Personal Property Securities Register. I believe a Personal Property Securities Register annual review is a must for every commercial business that you have as clients. Indicate to the clients what the problems are. We have articles which you can supply to your clients to emphasize to them the real commercial risks that they are encountering by not paying a very small premium, the cheapest insurance possibly in the world, about $6 for a 7-year protection. So Personal Property Securities Register reviews are very important. Please undertake them. So this is good for your clients, it helps them protect assets, and it's also good for accountants as you think about where new income streams are going to come from. Well, this is one. Undertake PPSR reviews for your clients. And then it could lead into a debtors review, because obviously debtors is one of the major areas of potential concern. Attached to the material we're sending out is an article, or if you would like to receive the article, please go onto our website www.essbiztools.com.au and we will send you our paper on the Personal Property Securities Register. If you would like any more details about the services that ESS BizTools can offer, please go to our website www.essbiztools.com.au, or if you are interested in a individual product by product type subscription, you can go to our other website www.essbasip.com.au. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.